When I was younger, there was one thing that I was super guilty about, which was making everyone else important around me but myself. Making everyone else feel like on top of the world and losing myself in the process. And what I mean by that is just constantly giving and giving and giving my energy out to people, and in that process really forgetting about who I truly was. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about all things positive, all things high vibe, and so much more. Today I want to talk to you about something that, like I said, I was guilty of. I'm sure we all are guilty of, and some people even today. How many times have you been this person who's tried to please people around him? Or how many times you've tried to change yourself or try to adapt yourself to the people around you just so they like you or just so that they accept you? First of all, know this one truth. Not everyone is gonna like you, and not everyone is gonna accept you for the person that you are. And that is completely fine. You know, I get super happy when people unfollow me on Instagram or anywhere for that matter, or just like move away from my life, because that way I know that they don't match my frequency anyway. They are not the people who are in sync with my thoughts and my vibes and my frequency, and it's better for them to leave than to stick around and give the wrong energy in my life. The thing is, when we make someone else important in our life, we give them the power that we have initially, and we give them the chance to rule over our life and control our emotions and control whatever is happening in our life. What I mean by that is that we all seek for validation all the time, and we forget that how powerful we truly are. We don't need any validation to feel a certain way. We don't need any particular person to make us feel a certain way. The second we remember or we take our power back, we know that we certainly are the ones who actually create each and everything around us. No matter what the people around us are, no matter the situations that we are in, for people who know me well, know that I am a strong believer in manifestation and the fact that you are the sole creator of your reality, period. No matter who says what, it's as true as a law of gravity. Whatever state you are in, whatever situation you are in your life, happy, sad, abundant, lack, whatsoever, it's you who has created it for yourself. It is you who has brought all these things in your life by the use of your mind. If there is something that you want to change in your life, start taking responsibility for your actions. Start taking responsibility for everything that happens in your life, because that is called as taking your power back. Knowing that you are in fact the sole creator of whatever happens in your life. You don't have to try hard to be with someone or to get the relationship of your dreams. You don't have to try hard to have meaningful people around you who care for you. All you need to do is become the emotion that you want to attract. You just wanna feel whatever it is that you really want to feel even before the thing has happened. If you want a relationship that is loving and caring and whatever it is that you're looking for, start to feel that emotion in yourself today. Start to feel that emotion and think about what exactly is it going to make you feel. How exactly are you going to be in that relationship? Because when you're doing that, you are putting yourself on a pedestal, and you are attracting the same frequency that's there out there somewhere. You don't need to depend on or rely on outside sources to make you feel that way. I realized this, I think, the hard way, that nobody is responsible for my happiness. Nobody is responsible for the way that I feel. I started taking responsibility for everything, including the way that I felt. No matter who did what, no matter who said what to me, it was still my responsibility. Until date, it is still my responsibility, is what I keep reminding myself of. So that means if you want happiness in your life, be that happiness in yourself. And feel that happiness in yourself even before you get the reasons to be happy. If you want the relationship of your dreams, feel how you are gonna feel in that relationship before it already has happened to you. You don't need to chase something. You don't need to run behind people. You don't need to change yourself for people to come to you. You can possess that energy and become the magnet that you really are and you truly are, that we forget that we are. And you can become that magnet and get everything that you want without even making that effort of changing yourself. Each and everything is a product of your mind, of your thoughts, and your belief system. Most important, the key word here is belief system. If you feel that you are worthy of something, that's exactly what you're gonna get. When certain people say that something is super easy for them, that's exactly what starts showing up for them. When people start to say that, this is something super difficult, or this just like never happens for me, it will keep showing itself in the same manner. It's the story that you tell yourself. It's the story that you've been telling yourself all this while is the foundation of your belief system. So if you want to change your belief and thus your life, start changing the story that you tell yourself. For now, I want you to take your power back. If you need to write this down, write it down. Write down the new story that you want to tell yourself. Your words have so much power because they emerge from your thoughts, and your thoughts are the ones that rule your life anyway. Every single day, make a conscious effort of saying things out loud that will make you feel that you have control over your life. Say things like, everything happens so easily for me. Everything is literally a smooth process for me. Whatever I want comes so easily to me. Because every time you say these things, you are just bringing more and more of it. So that's it for this video, you guys. Share this video with someone if you found it helpful. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share something nice in the comments below. I like to read something nice always. And until then, keep your vibes way high, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.